With the Tormek rotating base RB-180, you can easily turn the machine by 180 degrees to reverse the wheel turning direction, which makes it easy to move from sharpening to honing, or to select the ideal sharpening direction for different types of tools. The platform has been designed with a frame which keeps the machine firmly in place. It is constructed from 3 optimal high-performance materials to ensure a low friction and high stability. The rubber feet absorb the normal vibrations and make sure that it rests firmly on the table. The design is as thin as possible in order not to affect the working height. Many tools are sharpened most efficiently with the stone running towards the edge. But when you are finished sharpening and ready to hone, it is essential to work with the wheel running away from you. You can easily turn the machine without any heavy lifting or water spillage. It automatically locks in position, and you can comfortably finish in the original working position.